We're Gura Gear, a group of travel-savvy photographers that average 220 days on the road and 200,000 air miles a year. And for over a decade, we've been designing camera bags because finding one that responded to our lifestyle deemed impossible. So in 2008, we designed the Chobe, one of the toughest, most durable bags on today's market. We use higher density foams, the Dimension Polyant VX21 material, making the bag extremely lightweight, weatherproof, and tear resistant. All the things you need to make it around the world and back again with fragile camera equipment. But when it came to juggling photography, the everyday, and business travel, we wanted something more. Something that served both our professional side and the adventurer inside of us. And we once again realized we'd have to make it ourselves. So we developed our first everyday carry bag using the same legacy principles and materials of the Chobe in order to create a bag that not just stored your camera, but also carried your life. And now, for almost a decade, a variety of professionals have discovered countless ways to make this bag their own, while we've been responding with new ideas to make it even better. And now, after almost 10 years, we're introducing the new Chobe 2.0. It's fully updated to respond to the size and form factor of today's laptop, tablets, and ever-expanding array of cables, batteries, and chargers that go in your office travel bag. But why just update the bag to reflect today's tech? So we look to our most devoted users for advice on how to improve this already incredibly durable product. How about additional insert sizes? Done. We're now offering 2 insert sizes that offer more flexibility when packing the main compartment, as well as an expansion zipper that adds another 5 liters of space for when you need it. How about a rain cover? Ask and you shall receive. Both size bags come with an included seam-sealed rain cover. Can you add additional weatherproofing to the bottom of the bag? Sure can. The bottoms of the bags are now Dimension Polyant VX42, VX21's high abrasion and water-resistant sibling. I'd love to see a better shoulder strap. So would we. So we improved the padding, added anti-slip material on the strap, and incorporated new metal hardware. At Gura Gear, we believe the best product design comes from feedback from real users. So the more we listened, the more tweaks and upgrades we did. And one thing that we quickly realized is that we weren't just improving a photographer and tech-savvy road warrior bag, but we were also just making a great overall bag with an array of features ideal for any new age enthusiast that can be used anytime, anywhere, and for just about anything.